In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva with Printify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive into the world of design and print on demand. Canva is a fantastic graphic design platform that allows you to create stunning visuals for your projects, and Printify is a great tool for bringing those designs to life as physical products. Together, they create a powerful combination for anyone looking to start an online store or simply make unique items. First, let's start by creating your designs on Canva. If you haven't already, head over to canva.com and sign up for an account. It's free to use, and once you're in, you'll be greeted by an array of design options. You can create anything from custom t-shirts to mugs and posters. To begin, click on the Create a Design button and you'll see a list of suggested formats. If you're looking to create a t-shirt design, you can either choose custom dimensions and enter the specific size suitable for shirts, or select a pre-made template designed specifically for t-shirts. This will help you get started quickly without worrying about sizing issues later on. Once you've chosen a template or entered your custom size, you can begin adding elements. Canva offers a wide range of free images, graphics, and fonts to choose from. You can upload your own images, use stock photos, or even use Canva's extensive library of elements. Think about what you want your design to say. Are you going for a quirky, funny vibe, or something more sophisticated? It's all about what you envision for your product. As you work on your design, feel free to play around with colors, fonts, and alignments. Don't hesitate to be creative. Canva's drag and drop functionality makes it easier than ever to move elements around, resize them, or even rotate them for that perfect look. Remember to keep your target audience in mind as you create. What would they love? Once you're satisfied with your design and it looks just the way you want it, it's time to download it to use with Printify. Simply click on the Download button located in the top right corner. For Printify, it's usually best to select the PNG format, especially if you're planning to print on colored items that might require a transparent background. Check the box for transparent background before you download, as this will make your design look great on various products. After your design is downloaded, it's time to switch gears and head over to Printify. If you haven't done so yet, create an account at Printify.com. Once you've logged in, you'll be in the Printify dashboard, where the magic happens. Now, let's create a product. Click on All Products and choose the type of item you want to design, like a t-shirt, notebook, or mug. This is where Printify excels, as they offer a wide selection of products. Click on your chosen item, and it will take you to a new screen where you can start designing your product. In this section, you'll see a button that allows you to upload your design. Click on that, and then select the PNG file you downloaded from Canva. Once it's uploaded, you can adjust the size and positioning of your artwork, ensuring it looks just right on the product. As you customize your product, don't forget to select your desired colors, sizes, and any additional options available. This is your chance to showcase your brand and make something truly unique. Once everything is set, you can preview your product to ensure it looks great.